Thank you for having me here today, Noam and Steve. I'm very excited to help you pick some colors for your home, but actually, why don't you first start out with a little bit about why I am here today?
Well, we bought the house about a year ago, and renovations unfortunately have been put on the back burner, and we kind of thought it would be nice to start with at least one room and do a little bit of a facelift.
Excellent. And what room are we going to be looking at today?
The kids' room.
Oh,
we have
excellent.
two boys, 5 and 7.
Oh, that's fabulous.
And we want to make the place nice for them.
What we're choosing from today is a brand new Dulux Perfect Palette. It's actually a specially curated collection of colors that makes it so much easier to choose one or multiple colors for a single room, or actually works throughout the home because the colors are truly versatile. But let's not waste any more time and let's go see the room and pick some colors for the boys.
All right, good.
So this is the boys' space.
Oh, this is fantastic. So they've got their own bedroom here and an extra little study space. Lots of great light. I love it.
Yeah.
And what sort of colors were the boys thinking?
Well, Aviv really likes pink.
Yarden is totally into earth tones, natural stuff, blues.
Blues to sky blue. Okay, well, I can see that happening here, and a lot of influence from their artwork, so that's brilliant. And so why don't we start then with a pink that will work with all the tones in the room? I think in this range here, and actually zeroing in right on this color. What do you think of that?
Yeah,
that's quite.
That's
nice. Called Coral Cove. And into the blues. Let's. Yeah. Oh, look at you, jumping right in there. And I agree. Actually, I think these two colors work quite nicely together.
Nice. What's that one?
That one's called Misty Surf.
Perfect.
And then one more color to bring in those earth tones. And I'm thinking maybe an accent color in the browns, the greens perhaps. Something that contrasts but nice intensity. And that one's called Green Gray Mist. So we've got a nice selection of colors here. So let's take a look at it on a vertical sense here, because of course that's where we're putting the paint. And you want to try it against something that's white, so we're not influenced by the rest of the colors that are already in the room, and something that the boys have had their input into, but something they can grow with for sure.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're happy with it. I think it's something the boys will be happy with. How about we get painting?
All right.
Let's go.
Boys' room all freshly painted.
Oh, wow.
What do you think? You like it? Oh, that's so great. Oh wow, I'm glad you like it.
The colors look great.
I agree. I think even though we have 3 colors in a small space, by making sure that we use colors of a similar intensity, it actually makes the room feel larger.
Yeah, love it.
Can't
love
wait
it.
to show the boys.
Oh, that'll be great.
So what do you think?
Good.